friends, today we're going to draw Blossom. Let's get started. First, let's draw a curve for her head. Let's add some zigzag lines for her hair. I have the same hairstyle as her. Now, let's draw her bow. It looks like bunny ears. Now let's draw the rest of her face. Remember to leave a space for her hand. Her hand looks like a little egg. Now let's add her left eye, which is huge and cute. Let's do the same for her right eye. Now let's add a little smile. Now let's draw the pupils. Her eyes are huge and bright. Draw 2 short lines for her body. Now let's add her left foot, which is an oval. Now let's add her right foot, which is another oval. Let's draw the other arm. Add the rest of her hair. I like the curves of her hair. Let's draw the details on her shoes. Let's add a stripe to her dress. We have finished our blossom. Let's color it in. You can choose whatever color you want. Remember to leave some white space in the pupils. That will make the eyes look bright. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. Yay! We're done drawing our Blossom. She is one of the 3 Powerpuff Girls. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us. See you next time. Bye!